Good morning, children. Today we are going to study about a new chapter, chapter number 5, business services. Now you should know about what is business services. Business services are those services which are used by business enterprise for production or sale of goods and services. So it is a business enterprise for the production or sale of goods and services. Goods are the physical or tangible. Tangible means what? Which can be touched. So goods are tangible products, or we can say physical products, which are capable of being delivered to the purchaser and involves the transfer of ownership from the seller to the purchaser. So goods are the physical goods, physical products, which is delivered from the manufacturer to the seller, and in this delivery process the ownership is also transferred from the producer to the seller or the purchaser. Services are identifiable and intangible activities. So about goods we have studied. Now what are services? Services are basically identifiable and intangible activities. Means intangible means which cannot be touched, but services can be identified, which provides satisfaction of wants. So services basically provides the satisfaction of wants, and they are intangible, that is cannot be touched, but they can be identified. Service is an act which can be taken home, which can't be taken home, but its effect can be surely be carried. So service is something which cannot be taken, like the product, we can take the product at home, but services cannot be taken at home, but the effect of the services can be carried. Very good example is the service of a doctor, service of a teacher. Bank also is also a service. Bank doesn't provide any goods, they give the services. So in today's world, service industry is growing at a very fast rate. Now what are the nature of business services? There are basically 5 natures of business services. The first is intangibility. Intangible means services cannot be seen, touched or smelled, but can only be felt, yet their benefits can be obtained. So services cannot be touched, it cannot be smelled, but they can be can only be felt. So services can only be felt, and the benefits can be obtained. Like example, the treatment by a doctor. Second feature of the business service is inconsistency. Inconsistency means different customers have different demand and expectation, which means that there is no standard fix for the services. So for the services there is no standard fix, as different customers have different demands, and thus these are performed exclusively as per the needs, demands and expectation of the customers. So services are performed exclusively as per the needs, demands and expectation of the customers. That is why it is called inconsistent. Now the third feature is inseparability. Production and consumptions are performed simultaneously. Services cannot be separated from the production activity or the service producer. So production or services cannot be separated from the service provider. That is, services have to be consumed as they are produced. So as the services are produced, you cannot take it at home. As the services are produced, you have to consume it. The fourth is inventory. Services cannot be performed earlier in order to use later. Means services cannot be stored for the future use. As the goods we can store in the godown, or in the warehouse, but services cannot be stored in the godown. They are only performed when the customer asks for it. They cannot be stored for the future use. Now the last nature of business services is involvement. Involvement means participation of the customers in the service delivery is must. So when the services is delivered, customers should be there. So participation of the customer is very, very important when the service is given to the customers. And as the customers can ask, services can be modified according to the specified requirement. So these were basically the features of the business services. Now there are basically three types of services. First is social service, second is personal service, and the third is business service. Social service provided voluntarily to achieve certain goals. So social service is provided voluntarily to achieve certain goals. Example, healthcare, education services, they are provided by the NGOs also. So it is voluntarily provided. Second is personal service, services which are experienced differently by different customers. Example, tourism, restaurant, etc. So personal services are experienced differently by the different customers. Very good example is the restaurant. Different customers have different experience in the different restaurants. Now the third types of business service is business services. Services used by the business enterprise to conduct their activities smoothly. So all the business enterprises which conduct their activities which services they use is basically called the business services. Very good example is banking. Banking is used by all the business enterprises. Insurance is also used by all the business enterprises. Then communication, warehousing, transportation, all these are used by the business enterprises. Today only this much. Thank you.